Hello and welcome to this training tutorial. This video will cover measuring some features on the test piece. Okay, firstly we're just going to switch on the air, drives and the joystick. Just going to choose a probe from this shortcut. 2mm ball, that's the one. Okay, so the machine's going to change rack to pick out this stylus. I'm going to click on plane from this menu. Okay, I'll take 4 points on this plane. Okay, on a fourth point we should see some form error. There we go. Let's set this as a reference and OK. Next I'm going to choose a circle and measure it with the joystick. Again, 4 points. Not too concerned where they are because I'm going to modify the points afterwards. Okay, so this is the plane number it's projected into. We look at this form here. We'll change it to 8 points. Also going to change the depth or penetration. And because I'm using a template, I need to change this over and make. Also want this as a reference. And OK. Finally, I need to do my rotation. Well, I'll just check I've got 8 points on here. So I can see the probe moves displayed with this button pushed down. Turn it off again. Okay, so my rotation will be a constructed line through 2 circles. I'm going to modify this to be 1.5mm deep. Still 4 points, but they're decreased space now. Make. Generate to move. So you can see I have a depth of 1.5mm in Z. OK. I'm going to choose line from the menu, this icon for construct, and select each feature. Got the option of different features. Finish construction, set reference, and OK. Okay, so on the test piece we have a repeated pattern, so I'm going to use a ring array and copy this circle. Also going to copy this constructed line. Click on the arrow for next. Choose a center feature, which is the center of rotation for those features. Also check the number of items. There we go, got the 6 holes. So you notice one on the test piece is a slot, so this hole is technically incorrect. I'm just going to change the start and end angle so it measures an arc rather than a full circle. So it'll start just past the 90-degree mark and finish just short of the 90 degrees from the other side. And use template and make. You see the graphics are updated to represent where it will probe. Okay, next I'm going to measure the profile, so I'll choose line. And probe the points with the joystick. And OK. Right, I'm going to use a feature predict mode. So this is a memory button. So I want the memory on and the wand across the top hat, which means feature predict is active. So I don't need to choose a feature, I just need to measure either a line, circle or a plane. So I'm just going to measure the front edge as a line. This appears on the 3rd point. So I don't OK this, I'll carry on around the corner, probe the next edge. And the graphics will build up as I go. Get the clanking sound because that point does not fit the previous line, so it knows it's on a new feature. It's got to measure the diagonal line. Okay, I'm going to go on and finish the slot now. That was just made up of 2 lines and circles, so we don't actually have a slot measure function. So you notice at this stage there's absolutely no clicking of features, it's all just probing with the joystick. Okay, also going to measure the cone that's in the face. Now, because I'm not defining the direction, I need to specify at what level I'm taking the points. So I need to take 4 points, or at least 4 points at one depth. Then click across to this side to signify I've changed the depth. That completes this tutorial. Thank you for watching.